Welcome to our tour of the IKEA KALLARP High Gloss Light Gray Blue Kitchen, a stunning combination of modern design and functionality. This kitchen is perfect for those who love sleek surfaces, clean lines, and a touch of unique color that brightens any space. Let's explore the details. The KALLARP series stands out with its high gloss finish, creating a smooth, reflective surface that makes even small kitchens feel larger. The light gray-blue tone is both calming and contemporary, pairing effortlessly with a variety of countertop styles, hardware, and backsplash designs. Thank you for joining us. If you're considering an IKEA kitchen, the KALLARP might just be your dream choice. Like and subscribe for more design inspiration, and let us know in the comments. What's your favorite feature of this kitchen?